Good morning to all of my colleagues in the Summer Academy. My name is Gwen Torges, and I've been in the Political Science Department here at IUP for 23 years. And for my introduction, I'd like to share 3 things with you. First, I'm a bit intimidated and a lot of overwhelmed by all of the multimedia choices that we have. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to make some mistakes during my learning journey as I select which of these techniques to incorporate. The good news is I have a lot of experience with making choices and looking silly in the process. So I've become kind of used to that. For example, I can't sing, but I love it. And a couple of weeks ago, I bought a ukulele and I've been teaching myself to play. And so I'm going to share something with you that's kind of silly, but it came to me while I was working on learning all these new concepts. Remember your priorities, that they're a bare necessity when choosing multimedia in a course. Then go and try some apps and gifts. It's okay to experiment, and soon you'll bring those concepts to life. Whenever I wonder about some new tech, I remember the frameworks, they help me check to see if the technology aligns with my priorities. It's okay to take a glance and look at all those fancy apps and then maybe try a few. Alignment with your SLOs will come to you. And believe me, I do know that I'm not good at singing. If I had any talent at all, I would have blown this academic gig years ago and I'd be in a bar band. Thank you. Bye-bye.